So the shutdown in the Piper M600 is per the checklist. So we do a flow first. So taxi light off. And we're doing this, the flow is a flow, not a memory item. So we'll leave the nav lights on. Flaps are up, trims, back to normal. Pressure is out and off. Backup's alive and well. Now then, environmental off, you did, down, center down. And then it's back to the checklist. Avionics, alternator, generator. They might want to add to that checklist out of beta and stop the noise. Write down the numbers. Nice job. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Tower, Fort Cub 977 Charlie Charlie is at Lock Raven with Foxtrot inbound for landing.